Hello, my name is Mike Weed, and thank you for joining us here at Seaman in Watertown, Connecticut. Today, we're going to take you on a brief tour of Seaman's global headquarters and North American manufacturing facilities. During the next 5 minutes, you'll learn a bit about our company history and philosophies, as well as get an idea about how we design, manufacture, and support our high-quality structured cabling products. We offer more than a century of experience in the telecommunications industry. Seaman is a recognized leader in high-performance network cabling with a global manufacturing and logistical support. Join us on a walk through time from our beginnings through present day. The Seaman Company owes its birth to Carl F. Seaman, a motivated inventor and entrepreneur. Our founder and president from 1903 to 1937, Carl F. Seaman was a true pioneer in plastics. Imagine, the year is 1903. Henry Ford sells his first automobile. The Wright brothers defy gravity for 12 seconds. William and Arthur Harley and Walter Davidson launched the Harley-Davidson Motor Company. It was in this remarkable year that Carl F. Seaman, a pioneer in the fledgling field of plastics, founded the Seaman Hard Rubber Company in Bridgeport, Connecticut. His innovative heat and corrosion-resistant compounds, initially utilized in artificial staghorn knife handles and later applied to a wide array of products, laid a foundation of innovation upon which 4 generations of Seamans would build. Among these varied products was the 3-pole connecting block that was first produced in 1906, launching Seaman's lasting connection with the telecommunications industry. Surviving the Great Depression, Carl M. Seaman, President, 1937 to 1957. During the lean years of the Great Depression, Seaman survived on its founding strengths of innovation and flexibility. Carl M. Seaman, the second generation of Seaman leadership, steered the company during these difficult times, focusing on products that shed a hopeful light and made people feel good during the dark economic days. Seaman produced millions of phonograph records for the Decca label, as well as other specialty items, sustaining the company in anticipation for better days. Record times. The Seaman Company's role in the record business peaked in the 40s with Bing Crosby's hit, White Christmas, running 40 presses, 7 days a week, 24 hours a day to produce millions of records for Decca alone. Third generation. Carl Seaman, president from 1957 to 1982. Affectionately known as Big Carl, Carl Seaman inspired loyalty and comradeship from the Seaman staff and business associates during his remarkable 63 years of service with the company. After the war, the Seaman Company commercialized their dinnerware under the Watertown Lifetime Dinnerware and EcoWare trade names. This line became the company's core product, as well as its primary source of revenue through the mid-60s. Even during this successful time, the company continued to look to the future. Soon after moving the company from Bridgeport to Watertown, the company's newly elected president, Carl Seaman, along with his brother Robert, decided to focus the company's efforts on telecommunications. By the mid-1960s, Seaman had sold its successful dinnerware line and invested the proceeds into licensing and tooling to produce telephone connecting blocks. The brothers hit the road as salespeople, building markets in the Seaman reputation with products like the venerable 30 and 31 connecting blocks and later the 66 block. Growing the company throughout his presidency, Big Carl set the stage for Seaman's most profound expansion. Continued growth. Carl N. Seaman, president from 1982 through the present. In 1982, he became the 4th Carl Seaman to hold the office of company president. Carl's commitment to deliver quality, service, innovation, and value to Seaman customers and his long-term focus on a Seaman brand promotion, market share growth, and international expansion have led the Seaman Company to become the market leader in the global enterprise cabling industry. Over the previous generations, the Seaman name had become synonymous with high-quality telecommunications products. When Carl N. Seaman took over as the company's 4th president, He wanted to build on that reputation, envisioning Seaman as a worldwide leader of marketing, research and development, and automation in the emerging field of network cabling. Together with his brothers Hank, John, and CK, Carl and Seaman would guide that vision to reality, leveraging a long-held manufacturing expertise into the creation of high-quality, high-performance, end-to-end cabling systems. The successes of this strategic shift was explosive. A highly respected North American operation for its first 3 generations, Seaman is now a truly global organization, capable of supplying and supporting network cabling systems with a worldwide team of dedicated employees, state-of-the-art facilities, and extensive partner network. Expertise for the globe. Hank Seaman, Executive Vice President. The Seaman Company's strategic plan to grow market share by focusing on the world's 500 largest enterprises, it became necessary to establish a Seaman sales, training, and technical support office in Japan. Japan is the 2nd biggest economy in the world and a very important strategic market for the Seaman Company. In 2003, Hank relocated from Watertown to Tokyo to establish and lead Seaman Japan. Hank's focus is to develop a strong relationship with end users and channel partners there. Seaman's ability to fully support our clients has no boundaries. Thanks to a continual commitment to improving and expanding our global infrastructure, Seaman consistently provide quality product, world-class support and logistics anywhere on the planet. Our global network of regional manufacturing and warehouse locations put product at our customers' fingertips, while regional sales and support offices spanning 6 continents stand ready with service to support any network cabling need. From warranty support to certified installer training to technical service, each Seaman location provides the same high level of support ingrained with the same core service commitment that has been the company's hallmark since 1903. Setting the standard, John A. Seaman is our current Chief Technology Officer and Vice President of Operations. John joined the Seaman Company as an engineering group leader back in 1985. During his career, John has been awarded numerous patents for product innovations. John has also been actively involved as a leader in various industry standards organizations since the late 80s. Today, our current Chief Technology Officer and Vice President of Global Operations. Leveraging the tradition of innovations that began with Carl F. Seaman's Connecticut River Mud plastic compound, Seaman focused its talent becoming a global network cabling specialist, long maintaining a position of technology leadership through extensive reinvestment in state-of-the-art capabilities and providing extensive contribution to the industry standards development. Knowing that facilities, equipment, and technology alone cannot create truly pioneering products, Seaman employs the finest talent in the industry. Seaman Labs, the company's research and development arm, is responsible for a long list of significant industry firsts, including the first fully compliant Category 5E, Category 6, 10 gig, and Category 7 cabling systems, as well as over 400 active patents focused on cabling innovation. CK Tripp Seaman, Vice President of Reseller Services. CK began full-time with the Seaman Company in 1986 as an outside sales representative covering New England. Today, CK holds the position of President of the Seaman Global Project Services Division, a premier service offered by the Seaman Company. Value beyond product. A simple idea is ingrained in every Seaman employee. Great cabling solutions deserve great support. This belief drives the understanding that Seaman's long commitment to quality, service, innovation, and value goes far beyond its world-class product offering. Seaman prides itself on supporting clients and partners before, during, and after the implementation of a cabling system. From expert training to global project planning and consulting to a worldwide installer network to rock-solid warranties, Seaman's programs create long-term value in every partnership. The Seaman staff is committed to bring value to our partners and end users through training, education, technology differentiation, and support services. In a critical world, Seaman remains its own most powerful critic. If over 100 years of manufacturing and service has taught us anything, it's that an organization can never resist the pursuit of excellence. This is the Dynamic Building. The Dynamic Building incorporates 3 of our main core competencies: metal stamping, injection molding, and sheet metal forming. This is the metal stamping department, where we have the ability to manufacture a variety of components from many different materials. This department helped to create the insulation displacement technology used in the industry today. This is the sheet metal department, where we have the opportunity to manufacture boxes, racks, and patch panels. This department allows us to quickly fabricate both production and custom products to match our customers' needs. This is the molding department. The Seaman Company has the ability to manufacture and mold not only the components, but also all of the tooling that makes millions of parts. The Seaman Company is an ISO 9001 certified manufacturer, which means that we take great pride in our process controls and ensure that our production is always within tolerance. But we don't stop there. We're also ISO 14001 certified, which means that we take great pride in our commitment to the environment. Okay, so raw materials have been processed into components. It's now time to assemble those components into finished goods. And that's what we do here at Seaman Assembly. Our automated equipment and processes are designed with self-diagnostic programs watching over each of the activities of each station. Our cross-trained workforce provides the necessary labor to consistently produce our products. We have the capability and capacity to support all of our customers' needs. We're proud at the Seaman Company to not only offer our customers cutting-edge technology, but also to offer them world-class product quality and quality of service. Our philosophy at Seaman is our dedication to customer satisfaction and our drive for continuous improvement. We design our management systems to give each and every employee, straight from the product designer to the machine operator, the tools to measure, manage, and improve the quality of our products and services. As a result, we don't just have a dedicated staff of quality control people, but we have an entire company of quality control professionals. All of the product manufactured here in Watertown flows into our warehouse and shipping location. From this point, we ship to our customers all over the world. The Seaman Company owns and operates similar facilities in Asia, South America, and Europe. At Seaman, we design, manufacture, and deliver high-performance network cabling systems. Watertown is only part of the picture. We have 6 manufacturing and logistics centers on 3 continents with continued plans for expansions in the Southern Hemisphere. When you visit Seaman, you'll find a company culture with a high level of creativity and cooperation. The Seaman Company has a commitment to be the technology leader in our field of expertise. Thank you.